Hi, welcome to Kirk's Critters without Kirk. I'm Holly, and we are here at Ingham County Animal Control and Shelter, and this is Hiccup. She is an 8-year-old domestic short-hair kitty, and she came to us when her owner moved and could no longer care for her. So she's super friendly. She's been here with us for maybe a couple of weeks. She had a few health problems when she first got here, but we're getting her healthy, and she is definitely ready to go home. She did come in with another cat, so we think she would probably do well with other kitties. And she's just really sweet and social and friendly. So she's looking for her forever home. Could that be yours?
And for more information on today's critter, head to our website, WLNS.com/KirksCritters, or call the Ingham County Animal Control at the phone number on your screen. Final check of weather.